Welcome to another episode of Invertebrate Classification Series. Today my topic is phylum Arthropoda. Arthropoda is the largest phylum in the whole animal kingdom. These are the few general characteristics of the phylum Arthropoda. First of all, their body is bilaterally symmetrical. They are triploblastic and true coelomate. Next character is very much important, that is the presence of chitinous exoskeleton. So in case of Arthropoda, the skeleton is external and it is hard. There is no endoskeleton. Next character is also important, presence of externally jointed appendages. So since their skeleton is external, exoskeleton, so the joints are also external. That is why presence of externally jointed appendages. So these two characters are very important for the phylum Arthropoda. Next character, high degree of cephalization, that is formation of prominent head. Next, presence of circulatory system and it is open type, and the respiratory pigment is hemocyanin. Next, in terrestrial forms, the excretory organ is Malpighian tubule. Next, classification of the phylum Arthropoda. Yes, Arthropoda classification is somewhat big, but don't get scared of it. If you study properly and tactfully, then Arthropoda classification is not that much complicated. First of all, phylum Arthropoda is divided into two subphylum, Chelicerata and Mandibulata. So this is Chelicerata and Mandibulata. Subphylum Chelicerata is characterized by the presence of chelicerae. In case of chelicerates, the first pair of appendages is modified into pincer-like claws and it helps in their feeding. Whereas in case of Mandibulata, strong mandibles are present, which are used for chewing and grinding food materials. Next, Chelicerata is divided into three groups or classes, and Mandibulata is also divided into three groups or classes. It will be easier for you if you remember this classification as I am telling you. Remember this: MAP, 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 and MIC, MIC, MIC. And now I am telling you the names. M for Merostomata, A for Arachnida, P for Pycnogonida. Here M for Myriapoda, Insecta, and Crustacea. That's simple. So this is the classification of phylum Arthropoda up to class, where subphylum Chelicerata and Mandibulata. Under Chelicerata there are three classes: Merostomata, Arachnida and Pycnogonida, and under Mandibulata there are three classes: Myriapoda, Insecta and Crustacea. So let's start with the class Merostomata. There is only one existing order under this class, which is called Xiphoseura. They are aquatic and they respire through book gills. Examples include horseshoe crab or Limulus. They first appeared in Ordovician period and hardly changed since then. That's why they are also called living fossils. Next class, Arachnida. This class includes spiders, scorpions, ticks, mites, harvestmen and Solifugae. Spiders are the largest order in this class. They respire mostly through book lungs. Next class, Pycnogonida. They are also called Pantopoda. It includes sea spiders or nymphon. They are found in oceans all over the world and they have long legs in contrast to small body size. They respire through legs by diffusion. Under subphylum Mandibulata, the first class is Myriapoda. In Greek, Myria means many and poda means legs. So Myriapoda means animal with many legs. These terrestrial animals respire through trachea. Myriapoda can be divided into two groups: Centipedes and Millipedes. Centipedes are also called Chilopoda and Millipedes are called Diplopoda. Centipedes are predatory myriapods and most of them are venomous. The examples are Scolopendra, Symphila. On the other hand, millipedes are slow-moving detritivores. They generally eat decaying or dead organic matters. The example is Limulus. In case of centipede, each body segment contains one pair of walking legs. But in case of millipedes, each body segment bears two pairs of walking legs. This is the main basic difference between centipede and millipede. In case of centipede, each segment bears two walking legs, and in case of millipede, each body segment bears two pairs of appendages or walking legs. Next, class Insecta. It is the largest class in the phylum Arthropoda. They are also called hexapods as they possess three pairs of thoracic appendages. They respire through trachea and they possess compound eyes. Insecta can be divided into two groups, Aterygota and Pterygota. Aterygota means they don't have any wings, whereas in Pterygota they possess wings, or they are called winged insects. There are so many examples of Insecta like ant, bee, beetle, fly, mosquito, mantis, bug, cricket, aphid, termite, cockroach, louse, mayflies, etc. Next class, Crustacea. Crustaceans are aquatic arthropods. They respire mostly through gills and they have compound eyes. Along with thoracic appendages, they also have lots of abdominal appendages. The examples include lobsters, crayfish, shrimp, crabs, krill, woodlouse, cyclops, daphnia, moina, triops, balanus, argulus. So this is all about arthropod classification. If you have any questions, you may leave your comment below. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode.